I'm Wally from Black Dot Energy, and this is another documentary on an off-grid solar solution. This is the second project that was done in collaboration with Vierland Plumbing and Construction. The first project was Tshwane Beef, and we've got some very nice documentary videos on YouTube. And when Ben was approached by LC Works, the main contractor, to provide an off-grid hot water solution for this residence building, it was a natural partnership again for Black Dot to do the design and Ben and his team to do the implementation and construction. This system is a 5,000 litre system. It's an indirect system and really designed to give us a 20-year expected life with phenomenal cost savings. This system was based on exactly a similar design done with Tshwane Beef, where we've got an indirect buffer storage. We have the solar heating the water inside the tank at low pressure, and an internal heat exchanger which gives us water supply at a high pressure supply. With Tshwane Beef, our construction cost and a levelized cost of energy, we could produce the hot water at less than 30 cents a kilowatt hour, and this project is in a similar price category. Solar is by far less and already at grid parity. And given the challenging energy environment, it gives this customer and for this project a sure supply of hot water for the residences, irrespective whether there's an Eskom supply or not. Not only that, the customer is very environmentally responsible, is very forward-thinking, and is very cost-conscious. This residences is a very low-cost rental environment, so every little bit of cost saving made financial sense. The solar system supports exactly that, to give this client a cost-competitive solution in terms of the hot water generation, and because this is centralized ablution blocks, the hot water can't be recovered and invoiced. Hence, the strategical decision to do the hot water generation, in fact, for free with solar, ensuring the service delivery where there's hot water available at all times, and Vierland Construction that implemented the ring main that we designed to ensure a 24-hour consistent hot water supply for the building residences. Thank you for joining us for this documentary, and please, if we can assist you with any of your solar designs or implementation of commercial solar projects, contact us on www.blackdotenergy.co.za.
Hallo, ek is Moelman van LC Works. Ons is 'n kommersiële boukontrakteursfirma wat vir die laaste 6 jaar groot kommersiële kontrakte doen. Ons is besig om 'n kontrak te doen vir 'n kliënt in Pretoria Middestad, waar ons 'n warmwatertank besig is om op te sit. Die kontrak is in die hande op hierdie stadium van Black Dot Energy.
So robust, it's cost effective, it is extremely efficient, and you don't have the OPEX cost of this continuous yearly inspection of a high pressure vessel. In fact, because it's got no erosion and corrosion, you're sitting with a design in excess of 20 years plus.
My naam is Ben Moody, ek is die eienaar van Vierland Plumbing and Construction. Ons is afgelope 25 jaar in die loodgietersbedryf hier so in die middestad van Pretoria. Vandag het ons 'n baie nice projek hierso Die tweede groot kommersiële solar projek wat ek saam met Black Dot Energy doen. Ons het die projek saam met LITRE aangepak, 'n renovasie van 'n 7 verdieping woonstelblok. Ons het 'n indirekte solarstelsel geïnstalleer. Hierdie warmwater sirkuleer deur die gebou waar dit na die nodige warmwaterpunte deur hardloop. Die implementering van hierdie projek het minder as 5 dae gevat, waar ons al die panele en die konstruksie en die tanks in plek gesit het.
Ons as 'n maatskappy het besluit dat ons gaan spesialiseer in groen energie. Met ander woorde, ons wil kyk na solar. Solar ten opsigte van warmwaterstelsels.
Hierdie is 'n baie koste-effektiewe stelsel wat vir die kliënt vir die volgende 20 jaar baie koste-effektief gaan wees en 'n groot besparing vir hom sal wees.
This tank is a 5,000 litre low pressure polymeric storage vessel. Easily store temperature ranges of 90 degrees plus. As you can see, the tank has got a phenomenal 100mm polystyrene installation and is cladded with a galvanized metal sheeting. Because it's a polymeric tank, you've got no rust and corrosion. So this tank, for all purposes, could last in excess of 20 years plus. We bring the cold water into the internal heat exchanger from the bottom, and this heat exchanger sits inside the tank in that heated solar water. So the water from the municipality flows at high pressure through the internal heat exchanger, and as it circulates the turbulence within the pipe, you get the energy transfer and the water heats. Because it's a 7-story building, we've got a low flow ring main system, and we keep on very slowly trickling that ring main system and just ensuring that we've got sufficient energy in the building. It is really almost a zero maintenance system. Because you've got the polymeric tank, it's an indirect system. So if there's any calcification, because of the expansion and contraction, it continuously flushes that calcification out of the system.
Met alles wat op hierdie stadium ook gebeur in die omgewing en in die boubedryf en ook met elektrisiteitsverskaffing, is dit vir ons noodsaaklik en krities om te begin kyk na 'n stelsel soos hierdie, om dit ook in die toekoms dan te kan gebruik vir strategiese beplanning ten opsigte van behuising en ook groot kommersiële geboue.